Welcome back to Funnels and Flow. So far in this module, we've talked about creating effective blog content and the SEO strategies that help it rank. Your content doesn't just need search engine love. To truly maximize its reach, you need to amplify it on social media. That's where HubSpot's social media tools come in. When you integrate your social accounts with HubSpot, you're not just posting, you're creating a streamlined strategy to reach your audience, track engagement, and convert interactions into leads. Today, we're covering how to connect your accounts, schedule content, and use HubSpot's analytics to refine your approach. Let's get to it. First, let's talk about why social media and HubSpot work so well together. Social media marketing isn't just about throwing posts up. It's about creating a plan that aligns with your inbound strategy. When you use HubSpot to manage your social media, you can do it all from one place. You can plan and schedule your posts, track how they perform, and even connect those interactions directly to your CRM. Let's say someone clicks a link in your LinkedIn post and downloads a guide on your website. HubSpot can capture that interaction, add them to your database, and trigger a lead nurturing workflow, all automated. That's the kind of efficiency that saves time and drives results. All right, before you start scheduling posts, you need to connect your social media accounts to HubSpot. The platforms you can integrate include Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter or X, and YouTube. To connect them, head to HubSpot's settings, navigate to marketing, and select social media. From there, click Connect Account and follow the prompts for each platform. Just make sure you have admin access to those pages so that you can link them. Now that your accounts are set up, let's talk about scheduling and publishing content. One of the biggest advantages of using HubSpot is the ability to plan your social calendar in advance. With HubSpot tools, you can create a full week or even a month of posts in one sitting. Plus, their automation features allows you to schedule posts at the best times for engagement. But remember, consistency is key. Set a regular posting schedule and stick to it. Also, tailor your content for each platform. LinkedIn is great for thought leadership and blog links, while Instagram thrives on visuals and short, engaging captions. And don't be afraid to mix it up. Share blog links, videos, customer stories, and even interactive posts like polls or questions. The goal is to keep your audience engaged while reinforcing your brand's message. Once your content is live, it's time to track its performance. HubSpot's social media analytics makes this super easy. You can see metrics like clicks, impressions, and even how much traffic your posts are driving to your site. To access these insights, go to HubSpot's social media analytics section. Filter by platform and time frame and look for trends. Which posts are getting the most engagement? Which posts are driving leads? Use this data to refine your strategy. Double down on what works and adjust what doesn't. And don't forget that social media is a powerful lead gen tool. With HubSpot, you can run ads on Facebook and LinkedIn that sync directly to your CRM. You can also use chatbots or live chat to engage your visitors who come to the site through social. And gated content, like offering a free guide in exchange for contact information, can turn casual visitors into actual leads. Here's the bottom line. If you're posting on social media without a strategy or a way to track results, you're leaving opportunities on the table. Every post should have a purpose, whether it's driving traffic, starting a conversation, or capturing a lead. So here's your next step. Connect your social media accounts to HubSpot if you haven't already, then schedule the next week of content using the best practices we covered today. If you're feeling stuck, grab my guide. I created one as a take-home exercise for this lesson. Thanks for joining. See you in the next lesson.